you have to do is sign up to this absolutely free website, watch videos, and get paid. It's as simple and easy as that. But you really want to stay tuned because that's far from the only platform I will be sharing with you today. I have several websites to show you, all of which will get you paid big time. But if you stay up until the end of this tutorial, you will be able to learn how you can make much more money by also watching videos and not doing any hard work whatsoever. So be sure you stay with me. With that being said, if some of you want to make money online in a different way, perhaps to maximize your results, then you might just want to click on the very first link down in the description. By doing so, you'll be able to access a software you can use to make money online with absolute ease, no matter if you are a beginner or an expert. And with all of that said, let's now get into the video. As you have all heard, today I have several platforms to share with you, all of which will pay you quite decently for watching videos and doing a few other tasks. Before we go over the first platform you see, here's something very important I want to mention. I won't go into depth with these websites because I have multiple platforms to go over, as well as a bonus method through which you can get paid far more money by watching videos. I simply don't have the time to go over all of these platforms in detail. After all, you guys can do that yourselves. I will just go over the most basic info about the sites, like what you can do to get paid and how to sign up to each and every one of them. With all of that said, the very first of those platforms is this site here called cashkick.com. This is a great website to make money online that I would highly recommend to all of you. As you can see on the homepage here, we'll deposit cash into your account for all the fun things you're already doing online. Those fun things include answering surveys, finding deals, watching videos, what this video is all about, and lastly, surfing the web. The last two are, in my opinion, by far the best options. Watching videos, as many of you probably know, is one of my favorite methods to make money online with websites like these. It requires no effort. You're not doing anything hard or whatever. You're literally just watching videos. And since watching videos is something basically all of you do on a daily basis, it's a great idea to watch videos through this particular site to actually make money by doing something you already do every single day. Most importantly of all though, watching videos is fun. Surveys, on the other hand, are just boring and nothing more. They don't pay more money either, which makes them not worthwhile in my opinion. Before we move on to the next site, I want to show you guys the reviews over on Trustpilot.com to prove that Cashkick is actually for real. And you can see that they most definitely are. They have a very good rating of 4 stars from over 50 reviews. To start making money on the site, all you would need to do is type in your email address in this box here, and then your password just below. Then just click on Get Started Now and you'll be able to start making money with this website by watching videos. The next website I have for you guys is this one here called irazoo.com. This platform is very similar to the previous one, both in the things that you can do to get paid and in the fact that it also has good reviews, which I will get to in a moment. You can see near the top of the homepage here that you can make money with this site by downloading apps, watching videos of course, completing surveys, completing offers, and lastly, by playing games. So the tasks you can complete to make money are almost identical to the previous website. The difference is that with this platform, you can actually download apps to make money, which you couldn't do with the previous site. So that's a nice addition for sure. As always, I would recommend watching videos, playing games, and downloading apps from time to time to get paid with this website. You can take a look at the reviews I mentioned before over on Trustpilot.com. And as you can see guys, this website has far more reviews than Cashkick at over 250, and it has a rating of 4.2 stars. So a similar rating, but far more reviews. This shows you that the site is a bit more popular, and the more popular a website is, the higher the chances of the site actually being good and worth your time. And irazoo definitely is. To start making money with this platform, all you would have to do is click on Get Started here. here. You will now be able to create an account via Facebook by clicking on this button, or via email, in which case you would have to enter in your info in these boxes: your email address, full name, and your password. And then click on Create Account below to finish the process so you can make money with this platform. The last website I will be going over today before we get to the bonus, a site that will also pay you for watching videos and doing a bunch of other things, is this one here called lightgpt.com. When you come onto this website, it doesn't take too long for you to see that they've also been featured over on trustpilot.com. And if you go over there, you'll see that it has a rating of 4.4 stars, the best of the 3 platforms I've shared with you up till this point. They have over 2,000 reviews, the most of the 3 sites, so it's fair to say the website I will go over in a second is arguably the best of the 3. Despite that though, it's noteworthy that you do want to use all of the sites I've shared with you, not just one, since that will limit the amount of money you'd be able to make. So to maximize your results, use all of the platforms. Back on LightGPT, you can see how you can make money with the site by scrolling down a tiny bit. First off, you can see that you can watch video ads. And yes, this isn't the same as watching videos, but it's important to mention that the ads themselves are very high quality, so I guarantee you that they won't be annoying and they'll actually be interesting for you to watch, unlike on many other sites. Apart from ads, you can complete offer walls, doing stuff like clicking to make money, and you have a few other methods to get paid through this site. So you can start making money with this site. All you need to do is come back up a bit and then click on the register button here to create your account. On the next page, enter in your username, email address, and password, then retype that same password, complete this CAPTCHA, tick these 2 boxes here, and finally click on register below so you can create an account on this site and start making money through the platform. With all of that said, we finally reached the bonus method, guys. And the bonus method involves freelancing platforms, so sites like Fiverr, People Per Hour, Guru, SEO Clerk, and many others. Do keep in mind that I'm using Fiverr here as an example, but that doesn't mean that you have to use Fiverr per se. What you want to do on freelancing platforms, though, is work as freelancers. And the particular service you want to offer is reviewing YouTube videos. And yes, that is a thing, actually. You can see all of these people offering that service on Fiverr, many of whom made a lot of money online. What you would basically do here, guys, is watch videos, but you'll also be doing reviews on the videos. So say someone has recorded a video with them talking on camera. Perhaps you don't like the way they talk and you think they should change that. Maybe the background music is too loud, something in the video is distracting and could annoy viewers, and so on. All you would do is just review a video and give your input, and you get paid for doing that. Arguably, the best part here is that you do not have to be some expert to be able to do this and get paid. The main reason I'm sharing this with you guys. Furthermore, another big reason you want to do this as well is that number 1, the videos you watch will be far more entertaining than the videos on those other platforms. Number 2, you will get paid much more money for watching them, rather than watching something on Cash Kick, for example. This, of course, comes with the flaw that you will have to invest effort into this indeed. Meanwhile, you would not have to invest effort into watching the videos on those sites. But I think that the effort you put in will still be minimal in comparison to some other jobs. And considering that you can earn like $30 per customer, it will be well worth your time. Whether or not you guys want to do this is up to you, but if you want to, then you want to create gigs on as many freelancing sites as you possibly can to maximize the potential of customers and thus the potential amount of money you'll be able to make.